Surprises people when they're traveling is how many things still use batteries. USB charging is great, but luggage scales and flashlights and even remote controls when you're at an Airbnb still need to use regular old batteries. This is the Battery Daddy storage system. It keeps all of your batteries very organized in one spot. You can get to them quickly. This is got a clear cover here. You'll see it's got two different sides. When you open the cover, you'll see that you've got all of the different batteries here. You can have AA's, AAA's. You can also use your C's and your D's and your 9 volts. There's also an area where you can put your button batteries. One of the things I really like about this storage system is that it comes with a battery tester. This is really awesome because if you just stick your battery inside here, it will register and let you know whether the battery still can be used, which is very helpful. Then if you open up the back, you'll see here that it has another storage area where you can keep more AA's and AAA's, and then you have button batteries there. It's about 8 inches wide and 13 inches long, about 4 inches high.